That's pretty, the boathouse.
Here we go.
So this is Medicine Lake. It's on the Malign Lake Road. We're reading in the book that it drains every year, so it fills up in the spring from the snow melt, and then by fall it looks like it turns into mud flats for the most part. And they were saying that it drains through one of North America's biggest underground river systems. So I guess in there's something that's draining through, and a long time ago they wanted to keep it so it would quit draining completely, and so they would put old mattresses down in there. They tried newspapers, and there's something else, I can't remember what the third thing was. We were just trying to find it in the book, but we couldn't find it. So apparently if you drained the lake all the way, they say that that stuff might still be down there. Sounds like it doesn't drain all the way, so they don't see where it's going out. I thought that was kind of cool that it drains through the bottom of the lake. I've never even heard of that. So
You can see bubbles and stuff in some spots.
yeah, it was a really nice drive out here. We did, I think it's called Malign is how you would say it. I don't know, maybe we're totally messing up the name, but it was really pretty. But it was on and off rain. There's a bear, and everybody's standing super close to it. Hey, so we saw a bear today too. We've seen a bear
There's a
like every
person picking
day.
flowers right by the bear.
So yeah, we've had really good luck with bear sightings. Yesterday, I think we saw like 7 of them. So we lived in Alaska our whole lives. Never saw a wild bear outside of Denali. Between Banff and here, I think we've seen probably 25 bears. So that's kind of cool. But anyways, this is the lake that drains through the bottom of itself. Just thought you guys would find it interesting.
Bye.
Bye.
Go.
Oh. And we forgot that last night we went to Miette Hot Springs, which is, I don't know, like an hour northeast of where we're camping. Super cool hot springs, pretty cheap, but the best part was when we pulled up, there was a bear right by the entrance, and you pretty much had to walk by him to get there, and it's the closest we've ever been to an uncaged bear, not in a car. So we also wanted to share that because it was really cool. Anything, Mr. Chris, to add? No, shaking his head no. Alright, so I think, this will probably wrap it up for Jasper. I think we're going to go into town. Dan's going to try to find some music for a video from footage like a month ago when we were at Mesa Verde. Again, still haven't done a video. We've just been having too much fun. And we just haven't really had time to work on them. So Banff was kind of a whirlwind. Jasper's been kind of a whirlwind. We hit some weather here, so we didn't get to do any hikes actually in Jasper, which is fine because we're coming back this fall, so we'll probably do a couple that we missed this time. Tomorrow I think we're going to start heading northbound towards Grand Prairie and then Dawson Creek, which is where the Alcan starts. There's
another bear.
That's the bear that we just saw. Look at him. See guys, I swear to God, we see multiple bears a day. It's the coolest thing ever.
He's just eating dandelions.
Look at him.
Just popping them off. Look at that.
I didn't know they ate those.
Sound effects by Dan.
I don't know if they want these sound effects. That's so cool. That's weird. The GoPro makes it seem like he's so much further away than he really is.
And we're back.
Okay, so sorry for the slight interruption. Thought you guys would want to see the bear. Literally was eating the tops off the dandelions, which we saw. Well, we thought we saw a bear doing that the other day, which is kind of weird, but I guess they like them. So,
It's weird. We could hear him all the way from the car.
Because your sound effects. So anyways, we're going to, so Grand Prairie, and then Dawson Creek, which is where the Alcan starts. And yeah, kind of the only stop that we know we're for sure going to make is Liard or Liard, which is how they say it here, not Laird, like how we've always said it, Hot Springs. And we might actually stay a couple days there. And then Alaska. That's kind of it for now. Bye.
Bye. Elk. Hey, how'd you do on the steep part? Did you get down it? Well, that's awesome. How's it going? Never hopped on one of these lifts before.
Here, I'll show you quickly. We'll run you through it. Easiest way is grab your front forks right by your back frame and your seat. Walk up.
Oh, okay.
This chair.
Perfect.
We got to stop and unload the bike for you.
Okay, sweet, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Oh, do your thing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow.
A mom and 2 babies. Oh, babies are going up the hill. Oh, oh my God, there's 3 babies. You're not gonna be able to see it on the video, but oh, she's eating flowers. Oh, those little babies are so cute.
Morning.
Morning.
It's a walkway. It's about half a mile to 3/4 of a mile from the campground. There at Hot Springs.
I know, it's great. I really know why everybody says it's so amazing.
We waited 12 years to come here.
Oh, and there was a lady who said Johnson's Crossing for world famous cinnamon buns. We're stopping. She said you have to stop.
Is that behind us?
It's coming up.
Oh.
She said all the other places. She said that's
Why is that so popular?
what?
Why is hot, like, cinnamon buns?
Apparently they're like famous. So
We'll go there.